Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on a tour of the beautiful Highland Estate, a historical gem located in the heart of Essex, England. Highland House, a Grade 2 neoclassical villa nested within Highland Park, has a rich history dating back to the 19th century. Originally a private residence of its last owner until her passing in 1962. It was acquired by the Chelmsford City Council in the 1960s and had since been lovingly restored to its former glory.
I'm Jenny. I am a cellist. I perform at weddings and events, and today I'm here from Highlands Estate, just showcasing a little bit of my work, and would love to be part of your special day.
In the 2004 film, Chasing Liberty, it doubled as the iconic White House. Then in 2019, the Netflix series The Crown Season 3 brought it back to life as a double for the White House once again.
Hello, it's James here from Essex Days. Normally you'll see Emma, the brains of the operation, but today I am doing the Highlands wedding event. We are Essex Days, we are the official accommodation partner, and we have 150 five-star reviews, staycation, hot tub, karaoke, bar room. Come stay at Essex Days. Thank you.
Now, let's explore the beauty and versatility of this venue. Whether you're planning an intimate ceremony or a grand celebration, Highland Estate offer a range of stunning spaces. First up, the banqueting room, a beautifully restored space adorned with 24-karat gold leaf and silk-lined walls. The opulent room can host up to 100 guests and offer breathtaking views of the parkland. Its elegant floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood in, offering breathtaking view of the back lawn and the sweeping parkland beyond.
I'm Vanessa Brett. I have a millinery business. I'm based at the Artist Studios at Highlands here, and in the stables. Hand make all the millinery items, so bespoke to ladies' dresses and outfits, so mother of the bride, mother of the groom speciality, also other guests and race days.
Next, the drawing room, a remarkable setting up to 80 guests, boasting a gilded ceiling and stunning marble fireplace. It's the perfect backdrop for a romantic ceremony, followed by a picture queue photos of the East Terrace.
duo, and we play for the wedding ceremony, for the drinks receptions, and we're providing elegant, beautiful, bespoke music for your wedding service. We play Bollywood, we play R&B, we play classical because we're classically trained musicians, and you can often see us playing at the Albert Hall as well. So thank you, Highlands. Thank you.
For larger celebration, there is the Grand Pavilion with sparkling chandelier and floor-to-ceiling windows. This space can accommodate up to 300 guests and can be personalized to reflect your unique style.
We make freshly made desserts for weddings and parties. We're here today at Island House to come and showcase our dessert table. As you can see, everything is almost gone from this table right now. All desserts are freshly made by me. We set it up nice and pretty and with the color you've chosen your decorator is using for you. That's what we use in setting it up for you. Check out our Instagram page, D Honey Desserts, and we wait to hear from you really. We're the best dessert company in the world.
Let's not forget a luxurious wedding suite. Inspired by landscape architect Sir Humphrey Rempton, these suites provide a perfect blend of elegance and comfort for getting ready on your big day. Whether you're dreaming of a full-day affair or an exclusive ceremony, Highland Estate offer a range of packages to suit every size and style of celebration. Well, there you have it, the magic of Highland Estate. If you are planning a wedding and love a touch of glamour, this could be the perfect location for you here in the United Kingdom. If you had the pleasure of visiting Highland Estate, share your experience in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more inspirational video and photography. Until next time, take care and happy planning. Bye.